Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I tell you about robotic specialization course and how you can avail this course. It is actually a specialization course which is a 7-month duration, and how you can avail this course totally free, which is available on Coursera. So there are two ways you can study this course. Either you can pay for the course and study, or you can apply for financial aid. So I will tell you how you can apply for financial aid and how you can answer the question that available on application. That everything I will tell you, and I also tell you about the course, its duration, and what are the topic it's cover. Everything I will tell you about. So now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. So now we'll move on to the website first. See here. Here is the robotic specialization course which is available on Coursera, and it is offered by University of Pennsylvania, US. First I will tell you about this course information, then later I will tell you the further information and watch the full video, concern about the little things, the everything that I mentioned. So now we'll move on content. First here about this course. From this course you will study motion planning, MATLAB and estimation, and how it works. See here, you can read later. Then I will tell you the course content. There are 6 courses available in this specialization. The first course is robotics, aerial robotics. Second is robotics computational motion planning. Third course is robotics mobility. Fourth one is robotics perception, and our fifth one is robotic estimation and learning, and the sixth one is capstone. And in the capstone means you will do a project based on your study on this course, and it is really enjoyable for you. So these are the professor who will instruct you on this course. So here is the university who offer, and below start learning today. What are the things contained on this course? And these are the frequently asked questions. So you can go through all these. So this is the information about this course. So now I will move further. First we have to create an account if you're new to this website. If you already have account, no problem, we'll go to the login option. So first I will show you. Click on join for free or go to the login option. See here, it is a sign up option. Login and sign up. If you're new, you can go to the sign up option and put your full name, email address and create a password and join for free. And if you have already account, go for the login option, put your email address and password and go to the login option. See here, your profile is loaded. I already applied on this course and got a financial approve. So I have a personal experience for this course for financial approve. So follow my video regularly so that you will able to get the financial aid for this course. See here, I already enrolled for this course. And one thing more also, under the specialization course, we have to apply for each course separately financial aid application. So I'll tell you, I already completed the course 1 and also course 2 and also course 3. These 3 courses I already completed, and 4th course 1 is running on. So I will apply for the course 5th. I already get approval for all these 4 courses. That's why I will go to the 5th one option, and if you are starting, then you will go to the first one. Okay, follow the same command, don't worry about it. And one thing more also, for example, first you apply for first one and you will get the application approved, financial aid application approved. Then you need to apply for the second course. So for second course you have to apply before 15 days so that you will not miss the time, because the application approval takes 15 days to approved. So you have to wait for the 15 days. So plan on that basis. For example, the first course is 4 week. So complete the 2-week course, then apply for the next course. So within the 15 days, you can complete the remaining 2 weeks course of course 1, and you will get the application approval for the course 2. I am studying the course 4, and this course is 4-week duration course. I already completed 2 week, and 2 weeks course is remaining. And 2 weeks course means 14 days, and 15 days will take to approve for the financial aid application. So after completing 2 weeks, I apply for the fifth one. So I'll go to the fifth one, select this one. See here the fifth one available. Then I'll go to the financial aid available. Click on it. Then after that, continue to the application. Click here. See here, it take at least 15 days to get reviewed. After that, select this. Then type same as mentioned above. After typing this, click on continue. Then it will ask educational background. Select your educational background. I already completed my college degree, so I'll select the college degree. Annual income, put 0. Then your employment status, I am a student, click on student. Then how much you afford to pay, 0. Then our first question is, why are you applying for financial aid? I make a sample answer for this question, so I'll show you on my blog. See here, financial aid application for robotic specialization course on Coursera. So you can answer same thing. See here the answer. See here the first answer, why are you applying for financial aid? It asks for 150 words. So here answer, I am a student of either you are from mechanical, computer, robotics, electronics, or any engineering, then mention that. Or you are from other background, so mention that one. And completed my high school or diploma or undergraduate or graduate degree. Select your appropriate one. Under this domain field, I want to improve my knowledge in this category or field. So here is my application. Edit on your basis background. Edit it and fill this answer on the application. So I already make edit of my answer. So I'll go to, see here, I already edited. So I'll copy it and paste here. After that, see here the next one question, how will taking this course help you achieve your career goal? 150 word minimum. So here second answer, how will taking this course help you achieve your career goal? So here is an answer. Select this answer and copy and paste. I already have, so I'll go to, I copy it and paste it here. So after that, here the next question, would you consider using a low interest loan to pay for your courses? Select no. See, it will ask, if you answer no, please help us understand why. See here it is answer third one, if you answer no, please help us understand why. So copy it and paste it. See, as I already answered above, I don't have an income source. Copy and paste. So for this answer, link I will share on the description part, so don't worry about it. After submitting this answer, I will go to the submit application and see here, we have received your financial aid application, and estimation learning will let you know the outcome your application on October 2. It takes 15 days to approval for your application, so don't worry about it. I am 100% sure you will get the approval for this course. Follow my commands properly and plan your applications as I mentioned on the video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to others so that they will avail this offer. And don't forget to comment below down when you get approval for your financial aid application. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the update of any upcoming video. And if you want information regarding other specialization course on Coursera, then you can comment below down, or if you have any suggestion, then also you can comment below down so that I will help you out. So we'll meet on next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and have a good day. Thank you so much for watching our video.